Welcome to Beauty Medical Aesthetics, where luxury meets advanced care. Introducing our exclusive Platinum membership. This is the ultimate self-care package offering premium aesthetic and wellness services for just $399 a month. As a Platinum member, you'll enjoy an unparalleled experience with advanced treatments designed to enhance your beauty, health, and confidence. Let's explore the extraordinary services that's included in your membership. Option 1 is Kybella for the double chin. Achieve a more defined jawline with Kybella. Your membership includes 2 sessions of this non-surgical fat reducing treatment. Option 2, M-Sculpt or M-Sculpt Neo. Build muscle and burn fat with 2 sessions of your choice. Either M-Sculpt for body toning or M-Sculpt Neo for fat reduction and muscle building. Option 3 is our pelvic floor M-Cella, where you strengthen your core and your pelvic floor with 2 sessions of M-Cella therapy. This wellness treatment enhances your confidence and daily comfort. Option 4, a medium area laser hair removal. This targets unwanted hair on areas like your arm, your legs, or larger facial areas with laser hair removal. Enjoy a smooth, flawless skin with a safe and effective approach. Option 5 is our medium area laser tattoo removal. Clear your skin of unwanted ink with 2 sessions of our laser tattoo removal for medium-sized tattoos, leaving your skin renewed and fresh. Option 6 is our laser skin rejuvenation. Rejuvenate your skin with laser skin rejuvenation. This advanced treatment, it covers the face, the neck, and the décolleté, restoring a youthful glow and improving tone and texture. Option 7, bioidentical hormone pellets. Achieve hormonal balance with bioidentical hormone replacement therapy. This advanced solution, it supports overall health, energy, and vitality. Option 8 is our lip filler. Enhance your natural beauty with a lip filler treatment. It's perfect for adding volume, definition, and a touch of elegance to your smile. With the Platinum membership, you'll enjoy 2 of our select premium services each month. It's tailored to your needs. Plus, receive exclusive perks like priority booking, discounts on additional services, and members-only offers. Experience the ultimate in beauty and wellness. Join the Platinum membership today for just $399 a month and redefine your self-care routine. Visit us online or call to enroll. Beauty Medical Aesthetics, where your beauty meets its brilliance. Elevate your beauty, elevate your life.